Hello, in this course we will talk about the use of union all operator in SQL. Union all operator. In previous video we have discussed about the union operator. The union operator selects only distinct values if you have common. To allow these duplicate values, use union all. So let's take a look in query window. Here we can see the 3 select statement, and this is the last one. So if we run this query, our result if we run this query, our result is customer 1 and customer 2, because we use here union operator, and this union operator is used to select the distinct values from different queries. Here customer 2 and customer 2 from middle one is same value, and that's for a reason we have only one customer 02 and the customer 01 is another. So our result for union is customer 01 and customer 02. So if we want to select customer 01, customer 02 and customer 02 from different 3 queries, we have to use union all operator here. All. So let's see how is the result. Yes, we have 3 result: customer 01, customer 02 and customer 02 from last one. So this union all operator that help us to select multiple or duplicate values from different queries. So if we use here this is the first select statement, this is middle one, and the final one is 200 and 250, and here we use union all operator, and our result here 500, 600, 200, 500, 600 and 200 for mobile bill, and 500, 460 and 250 respectively for monthly food allowance. Here if we use all, if only union operator here, so how is the result? We have the similar result for union and union all operator, because here we have unique or distinct values from different queries. That's for a reason we have the same result for union and union all operator. So this is the question, or this is the matter is what is the difference between union and union all. Here we can easily explain union operator that helps us to select, or that helps us to get distinct values from different queries, and on the other hand union all operator that help us to select multiple columns from different queries or from different tables by using union all operator. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thank you.